Looks like slumps away.
Can you share some practical steps that you can take?
After this meeting, as we're shaking hands, I'll try to get some additional information from you.
shirku wuxuu ku adkeynayaa ummadda Soomaaliyeed in qabyaaladdu ay tahay xaaraan